Study journal, ledger, and trial balance. Journal, ledger, and trial balance are the very basic step in order to have an effective and efficient financial statements. So, without taking much time, let us study journal. Journal format is that whenever we are preparing a journal, we write down date, we write down the entries, we write the ledger folio number, debit, credit, and the amount. So here we have taken only five transactions just for four transactions just for our understanding. The very first is we have to generalize it in the book of PNN Limited. And the particular transactions are for the month of Jan, 1st of Jan, they started a business with cash rupees 90,000. Then Jan 3rd purchased furniture 8,000. Then sixth bought goods of 10,000 and then sold goods of 60,000. So the format is in the books of PNN Limited, journal entries. We wrote first date. In one of the prior videos, I have said you about how the journal entries or how the account rules are worked out. So let me just revise those. If it is a personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Then, if it is a nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. And if it is a real account, then debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So, first started a business with cash. So, PNN के company में पैसा आ रहा है. That is the company is getting the money and we can see the cash. It is a real account. So debit what comes in, cash account is debited and personal account. Who is the giver? Capital. So capital account is credited. Both the ends we will write 90,000 each. Then we have to write a narration being started business with cash. Third, what we have done, we have purchased a furniture of how much amount? 8,000. So again, furniture can be seen, okay, for which we have paid the cash. So both can be seen. So again, for the rules of real account, furniture debit what comes in, furniture account is debited for which we have paid cash and cash account is credited 8,000 both the ends. The third case, 6th of Jan, we have bought the goods, that is raw material, amounting rupees 10,000. Again, same case, we have made purchases. So purchase account is debited and cash account is credited. Narration is being purchases made. And then last but not the least, ninth, we have sold goods. Now, when we sell the goods, we will receive the cash. So cash account is debited and sales account is credited. So write a narration being sales made and then make a total. So we see that we tallied by 1,68,000. So our journal entries are done, right? Now with the help of journal entries, we have to prepare a ledger. So how many ledgers will be there? You can write it in while you're, making solving a particular problem in your notebook. Note down the number of accounts. What is a ledger? A particular account description is called as a ledger. So in this case, cash account is one account, capital is the second, third, furniture is the third, purchase account is the fourth, and sales account is the fifth account. So let us start with ledger. The very first, let us draw cash, debit, credit, and what is the particular format? Debt, particulars, journal folio, and amount, date, particular, journal folio, and amount. So do remember dates play a crucial role actually, right? So how do we note it? A very simple, cash account to capital account. So cash account, two side is debit, to capital account 90,000. Every debit is going to have a corresponding credit. So iska second entry hoga capital account by cash 90,000. Next is furniture to cash. So furniture के debit side में to cash जाएगा. Furniture to cash 8,000. Third is per and then in cash account opposite entry. Now to debit is done, credit side आएगा. In cash account buy furniture 8,000. Okay. Then purchase account to cash account, again cash account buy purchase account 10,000. And then last but not the least, cash account to sales account. So cash account to sales account to आ गया debit side में, and then in sales account exactly opposite entry buy cash account 60,000. I repeat again, please check. कैश अकाउंट टू कैपिटल, तो कैश के डेबिट साइड में टू कैपिटल आएगा, सी हमने लिखा है। ओके, फर्नीचर के डेबिट साइड में टू कैश आया, फर्नीचर के डेबिट साइड में टू कैश आया। परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट साइड टू कैश, परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट साइड टू कैश, कैश अकाउंट debit side two sales, cash account debit side two sales. Now we have written all the debits. Every debit is going to have a corresponding credit. So exactly opposite entry होगा. Capital में क्या आएगा dear all? Buy cash. So capital buy cash. Second cash. Okay. कैश में बाय फर्नीचर, वापस से कैश में बाय परचेस, एंड देन सेल्स में बाय कैश। ओके, सो सब एंट्रीज हो गए। नाउ लेट अस क्लोज द लेजर अकाउंट। हाउ डू वी क्लोज द लेजर अकाउंट डियर ऑल? यस, हाउ डू वी क्लोज द लेजर अकाउंट? Just the same way, the way we close the profit and loss account or trading account. We note down the heavy figure on both the ends and see whichever side is heavy. We write their brought down figures with the last date of the month. Since this is Jan, 31st of Jan will be last date of the month. And then we write buy balance brought down. How much is less? 1,32,000. Opening becomes, closing becomes opening of next month. So this is 1st of Feb to balance carry down 1,32,000. I repeat again. This is your closing figure. Closing figure becomes opening of next month, which is written on opposite side. Debit में अगर brought down आया तो next credit में लिखना है. Credit में brought down आया तो debit में लिखना है. I will tell you with the example of sales. You can see sales account. एक ही एलिमेंट था 60,000, बोथ दी एंड्स लिखा, तो वापस से फिगर बैलेंसिंग कितना है 60,000. So this is on which side? Debit side. This will be indicated with the last date of the month, that is 31st of Jan. Okay, closing becomes opening of next month. Drag it on the next credit side. It will be written with 1st of Feb. Same goes to purchase account. Purchase account is exactly on credit side balancing figure. Debit side में आया 10,000. Furniture account same. Credit side में 8,000 balancing figure. Debit side में 8,000 carry down figure. And which will be denoted next month first date, and balancing figure brought down will be denoted by the last date of the month. Okay. And with the help of this, now let us prepare the ledger. Ledger amounts are written with the last date of the month. Capital also same. You can see buy cash लिखा है, तो balancing figure कितना आया 90,000. Closing become opening of next month. We have dragged it down, carry down 90,000. This was written by last date of the month, and this is written by the next date of the month. ट्रायल बैलेंस के फिगर्स देखो, कैपिटल कौन सा लिखा है डियर ऑल? क्रेडिट साइड के फिगर्स, कैरी डाउन फिगर्स के साइड में लिखना है. लाइक कैपिटल का कैरी डाउन क्रेडिट साइड में है, तो हमने कैपिटल लिख के क्रेडिट. एंड कैपिटल इज ऑलवेज credit balance, cash is always debit balance, sales is always credit balance, purchase is always debit balance, furniture is always debit balance, all assets debit balance. Okay, all liabilities credit balance, all personal account depend whether your depends upon your transaction, all expenses debit balance, all gains credit balance. So you can see capital मैंने just बताया, again I'll repeat. बाय कैश था 90,000, सो दोनों जगह पे हमने 90,000 लिखा. बैलेंसिंग फिगर लिखना पड़ा 90 टू मेक द टोटल टैली. उसको लिखा हमने टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन बैलेंसिंग फिगर, which is denoted by the last date of the month, that is 31st of Jan. Closing become opening of next month 1st of Feb. Buy balance carried out. कैपिटल अमाउंट, कैश के अमाउंट देखते हैं अभी क्या है. ओके, कैश अमाउंट debit balance 132, sales amount credit balance 60. Okay, cash debit balance 132, sales 60,000 credit balance, and then furniture and purchases. Okay, purchases देखो, purchases debit balance 10,000 and furniture debit balance 1,000. Okay, so if you see our both debit and credit are tally. So whenever your debit and credit tally, it means that you have solved the journal, ledger and trial balance correctly. Thank you.